How to create folders in Publuu. Keeping your Flipbooks organized is easy with folders. Log into your Publuu account. Your uploaded Flipbooks appear in the main section. On the left, you'll find My Folders. Click the plus icon to create a new folder. Type a name, then click the green check mark to save it. You can rename your folder anytime. Just click the pen icon, update the name, and confirm. To move a Flipbook, simply drag it from your main list into a folder. It will appear inside instantly. To add more items, return to the Flipbooks tab and drag additional Flipbooks into the folder. If you want to remove one from the folder, just drag it back to the main list. Create as many folders as you need. There's no limit. To reorder them, drag folders up or down. You can also delete a folder using the bin icon. Now you know how to create and manage folders. Stay organized with Publuu. Thanks for watching. Want to explore more? Check our full help guide at publuu.com.